My name is Eddie Woods. I'm the CEO of No More Red Dots Incorporated. We started doing the work about 30 years ago. What we were trying to do at that time, and even way back then, was to get folks to make choices that didn't include guns or any kind of weapons. No More Red Dots refers to the red dots that the police put on the map for where homicides happen. So we had the idea that if we can eliminate some of those red dots, we could save some lives. The mission in and of itself is to impact gun violence. So we had to establish a network that would allow us to know when something happened quickly so that we could try to gauge the levels of retaliation, how deep it might go, whether there were organizations or groups that were involved. We get a notification on the phone, whoever's working in that particular zip code where the shooting happened or is on shift, they're the ones who take the lead on the team finding out what happened. Interventions don't happen when the shooting happens. Interventions happen when there's nothing going on. If we do what we are supposed to be doing correctly, then the police got less to do. We've gotten about 58 referrals from courts and parents and school, JCPS. Out of those 58, only 3 have committed new offenses. The ones who committed new offenses stopped coming to sessions. They stopped calling their mentor. They stopped answering the call when their mentors called them. So we've gotten 8 young people who graduated from high school last May. We've got 1 young man who got a scholarship to a college in Minnesota. Our Peace Through the Arts program is one of our programs that we really need as much funding as we can get for that one because it touches all of them, touches all of our kids. Our Operation Hope Mentorship program, we're going to be full-fledged launching that at the end of November. We've got a very solid organization. We go out and train other communities how to do it the way we do it. We've trained teams in Indianapolis. We've also got folks seeking to do training in Cincinnati and Lexington. And we've got inquiries from as far as Miami. One of those things that happened for us that was a complete and total blessing was when Community Foundation and Cities United and several folks connected with the Community Foundation started to realize that there was a place for them to help. There was a spot that they could actually help and do this work. They didn't have to be interventionists, they didn't have to be specially trained, but we needed their support. I think it's important that people donate to the Community Safety and Healing Fund because that's how we get our help, number one. And secondly, a lot of organizations that are trying to do the work of safer communities, this is how they get help. If you're looking for a way to help in this initiative, to help with this public health issue, Community Safety and Healing Fund is how you do it. It's one of the ways that you can do it.